Portal HD16 here with Lester XD 123. Sir,
Hey guys!
that ugly bullcrop is in here recording.
Bullshit.
We're recording about the new Minecraft version that is now the 17th, and we don't know the link. Sorry guys, but we can send it to you. But that's okay guys. We will just show you what is the new topics in this beautiful
Beautiful play shit.
I mean, Minecraft. What the fuck you're saying, man?
Yeah, shit.
It's a book of man. Okay, I'm gonna
First-
change. Can you see? We can now search. You can change. If you don't know how to do that, you guys go to the
setting and shit.
settings, man. That's settings.
Okay.
Okay, then
that's
go to video.
setting.
Then
Shit.
click the show advanced video settings, and you can click packet. Which, if you go classic, you can search for things. If you go for packet, you can't. Okay, but let's get into the video and then.
Fuck you.
Oh, you stop saying batteries that is not even have meanings. Oh fuck! I just hide geo skill. Fuck. What you're doing? Shit. What just happened?
I am trolling shit.
Look, shit.
Look,
is
shit,
it?
boy.
What happened in this? I can't even look at the shit. This thing. Oh fuck! I just clicked the wrong button. Shit. What just happened in this book, bro? That's what you get when you stupid fucking book up.
Why you live, motherfucker? Sake this shit.
Oh. Fuck! What just happened? Sorry guys, we got a glitch in here, but I'm going to leave right now because I got. Oh, I'm sorry, Lester XD Abno, because I just logged. And that's not my fault, you.
Yo, shit. Oh.
I hate shit, man. Could you
Okay.
stop saying bullcrap words that even have no meaning? Bullcrap, motherfucker.
Shit.
I just told you to not say that shitty bad word. Okay,
Hey,
we're
guys.
starting right now with the Ender Pearl in here. Where you
And
can
I will go to
teleport,
Ender Dragon shit.
teleport. And then where I'm teleporting there. And then I'm here in. And I'm going to teach you guys how to fly with this new update. Come on,
Okay.
Lester XD 123 Abno. Come on, follow me.
Okay,
We're going to
sure.
fly into the top.
Where are you?
I'm in here.
Okay.
Just follow me.
Okay.
When I stop, you stop also.
Okay.
Stop saying okay.
Okay. I'm so sorry of that.
You shitty ass. Okay, you're too slow. Maybe you have an arthritis. Did you know arthritis?
Yeah.
It is the inflammation of knees where you can't walk and it is painful when you walk. Okay, I'm going to set my third person view at the back so you can see how it's going to be great. They are flying above in the sky. Okay. Okay. Oh, I clicked the wrong fucking button.
What is that motherfucker saying this?
Okay, we will start right now. What are you doing, motherfucker? To fly, first, if you want to fly, you will double click there and click this jump button, and then where you can glide now position
And
where you want to
shit.
go. And don't, okay, this is how to glide. No, you got it wrong. We're having a gliding lesson here. I'm a pro in flying, and you're Lester XD Abno. You're so slow. And then
Please
we're
wait me, motherfucker, you shit.
you behave, you motherfucking bootcamp, motherfucker, you shit. This is how you glide, you motherfucking bullshit shit. Up. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, boy.
I just disappeared. What the
Where
hell?
are you, motherfucker, shit?
You just find me, you motherfucking shit.
Okay.
Jabla
Oh,
petrol, you
yeah,
shit. Damn, son. Ow! Oh, what is happening? What is happening? Okay, I'm going to land. I think I glitch. What is happening? Look. Okay,
Hey guys.
stop gliding, motherfucker. Stop gliding. I'm crashing.
And
Look
I
at
am
me.
landing. Shit! Where are you?
Crashing, I'm landing. I'm diving.
Where is Super Troll 86, you motherfucker, you bitch,
Oh shit!
motherfucker. Oh,
Where did I go? Where in the fucking shit? Where the hell am I?
Where are you, shit?
Where the
Hey,
hell
the
am I?
ba-
What the
Oh.
fuck? What the fuck, yo? Okay, let's go to the underworld so we can see each other. But I can't even see a land in here. Where the hell are you, dude?
Pauwi na lang ako puno kaya hindi ginagawa sa mga Gloria. Ha?
Okay, dude. Where the hell? Oh, I'm close. I'm close. I'm close. Where the hell
Where are you?
Wow.
Just wait for me there because I
Okay.
see this rocky line here. You're at the grassy part. Okay, okay.